Bandit level 1. In this level we try to solve Bandit level 1. In previous level we read the file called readme located in home directory. In this, so we get the password for level 1. Now we try to solve this level. In this level we need to read the password with the file located in home directory. So we need to do SSH bandit level 1 bandit 1 bandit labs OverTheWire .org import 2020. We need to put the password which we get in previous level. We'll log in. Basically we need to do ls to read the directory. Here a file, we need to read this file with the help of cat command. To read current directory file we need to put this command, file name. We got the password for next level. Copy this